Hello friends, let's do some interesting problem on the basis of integration of complex numbers. So let's start it. Let's start. As we know, first we have to do some problem with on this type of question. Integration of 0 to 1 limit minus 1 power x into dx. So how we proceed in this question? Let's think. Minus 1 is simply nothing but we have to convert minus 1 into some complex form. As we already know, the Euler formula in complex form is e power I theta is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, so let theta is equals to pi. If we put theta is equals to pi, then e power I pi is equals to cos pi is nothing but minus 1, and pi sin pi is equals to 0. So this will become minus 1 is equals to e power I pi. So just substitute in it minus 1 e power I pi into x dx. Okay, so e power I x pi into dx. The integration of e power I x pi is very simple. E power I pi x divided by I pi. Okay, limit is 0 to 1. Simply putting the limit, after putting it become e power I pi minus e power 0, which is 1. So as we know, e power I pi is nothing but minus 1, so it become minus 2 I minus 2 divided by I pi. Okay, we can also multiply in denominator. I should be rejected, so we can also multiply I by I. It become 2I divided by I squared in is equals to minus 1. So minus 1 is plus, so 2I by pi. This is our answer. Let's do another problem. Another problem is integration of x powered I means iota complex form into dx is equals to what we have to find. Okay, so first we have to adjust the x here, okay, in terms of log. So how we adjust? As we know, e power log e power log x into I is nothing but x power I. Here e will cancel, then x power I will come, so we can write x power I in this form. So it become e power I log x. Okay, this will become like this. So as we know the formula of Euler form, this is equals to cos theta. What is cos theta? Here theta is ln x. Ln means log x plus I sin log x. Okay, we can write like this. So we have to find the integration of x power I. So in general, in very simply, we can do like this. X power I integration is nothing but x power I plus 1 divided by I plus 1 plus c. We can do like this. Okay, so simply, so here this value is equals to x power I. X power I is equals to cos log x plus I sin log x. Okay, so here we can substitute all these values here. We can write x power I plus 1 in this way, x power I into x divided by I plus 1. This complex form means this imaginary part is in denominator, so it is not look like good, so we can conjugate it. So this iota part will eliminate, we remove from denominator. I minus 1 divided by I minus 1, it will become uh, x I minus 1 divided by 2. If it's multiplied here it become 2, then x is also there, x, and x power I means here this one, cos log x plus I sin log x. Okay, so let multiply this I minus 1 into these all things. Okay, x by 2, here I into this and then this, so cos log x into I, then I into I is I square, I square value is minus 1, so minus 1 we can write simply minus into sine log x. Then we multiply this I into both these things, this and then this, then minus 1 into this cos, then sine, then minus x by 2 into cos log x, then plus I sine log x. Okay, just take I as together and uh, numerical part just together, x by 2 into cos log x, we can take this. Let's check here, there is I plus 1 into I minus 1 is nothing but I square minus 1, so I square value is minus 1, and again minus 1 is nothing but minus 2, so here minus 2 will come, minus 2 minus 2. Okay, so let's take uh, algebraic part separate and complex part separate, then this become here minus, then this become here minus sine log x. Okay, then I part again in different place, this minus is for whole, complex part is there, which is minus, and cos is here. Okay, I into cos log x minus sine log x. Okay, so just take minus in inside, x by 2 minus minus will plus, so cos log x plus sine log x, then plus is there, so plus become minus I cos log x, and minus plus minus minus plus sine log x, then here by x by 2 also. So this is for integration of cos log x, and this is for integration of sine log x. So what is x power I? We already find here x power I is cos log x plus I sine log x. if we do integration here, dx, the integration of this into dx, integration of this into dx. So integration of this is nothing but this whole term, x by 2 cos log x plus sin log x. Okay, then uh, this value is here minus minus plus here all, and this minus comes here, then it become minus cos log s, and minus come here, then it become plus sin log x. So just we can write here plus and minus inside for simplicity. Then integration of cos log x dx become this terms, and integration of integration of sin log x become this term. So this is nothing but sin log x minus cos log x into x by 2, I also there as it is. So this is our answer. We can also solve this log cos log x dx by part, but this is very easiest method as compared to by part. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching my video, and do like and subscribe. Thank you so much.